Hey there, Tad here, and just in Toronto, somewhere, Riverdale, I think it is. And anyways, just another quick story from the workshop on Saturday. There was a fellow there who was, I'd say in his 60s or 70s, and clearly extraordinarily skilled and learned in a lot of different modalities, everything from acupuncture to craniosacral to chiropractic to herbology, you name it. One of these people who just knows a lot and yet really struggling with his practice, with his business. And it's, goes to show it's one of these things where it's just because you know a lot doesn't mean you're going to make a lot of money. Just because you're really skilled doesn't mean you're going to make a lot of money. Business, in my mind, especially as a service provider, exists to solve a problem. Or to get people particular results that are real specific to them. People don't tend to walk into, a supplement shop and say, hey, you got something that's good for everything? Even if there was something that's good for everything, people tend not to think about that or buy that until maybe they've had a relationship and learned that, oh, this one thing is actually good for a lot of things. So throughout the workshop, at one point finally said, I know a lot about the neck. And the way he said it had me think that that was an area that had the most fascination for him, or maybe where he had a lot of skill, a considerable amount of knowledge. And I said, if you were to focus on that and become known for that, because this is the whole thing, your niche is your role in the community. It's the role that you want to be known for. And so it's like, if you became known for that, and all the other practitioners in town knew that when they ran into neck issues that they couldn't handle, they sent them to you, it wouldn't be long. It wouldn't take a long time to get known for that. So many holistic practitioners out there are walking around with just this bundle of different modalities that they've collected over the years, and that's how they talk about it. Well, I do this modality and that modality and that modality. But so does everybody else, and nobody knows who's necessarily the best. But I got excited when he talked about the neck and his expertise with that. So to think about it, is there a place you could specialize if you have all these different modalities? And the thing I said to him is like, look, that's what you can lead with. This can be the cash cow. This can be the thing that brings in the money. This can be the thing that brings people in initially. It's like the front door of a house, Here I am in a residential area, so there's no particularly beautiful front doors here. But, you can see the house behind me. There's a little tin door. Well, little screen door. That screen door, I don't know, that wouldn't draw a lot of people in. But if you really decked it out, people might be interested and come check it out and say, oh my God, I've never seen a door that beautiful. And once they're in the house, you can show them all the other rooms. But the front door, the front of the house, the facade, that just has to, that just has to be the thing that grabs their attention, that gets their interest. Once they're there, you can invite them in, sit them down for tea, give them a whole tour, let them know the suite of services that you offer. So it's like, working on the neck might be that for you. It might be the thing that is easiest to understand. You get the quickest results with people, and then there's a relationship that builds. So that's what a niche can be. So think about it for yourself. What's the thing you specialize in or could specialize in that you could become known for? And that doesn't mean it's going to be the only thing you're ever known for. Just in the marketplace, when people talk about you, that's the thing they mention. A business has got to solve problems. It's got to produce particular results for people if it's a service-based business. So that's my thought. I hope you can translate that into your world and what you do. And more videos coming.